Hi Ray, just a quick observation. I'm looking in the Instagram feed, and currently it tells me that I've got accounts active. And if I go into settings, sorry, wrong one. If I go into Instagram images, this 19,300, I have been watching this number grow, but it's been probably an hour since I last checked this number, and it was at 19,300 an hour ago. And if I have accounts active and an hour has passed, I would have expected this number to have grown at least slightly. So could you just have a check and make sure that the it's currently working? Say, in the last I don't know if you can check, but in the last hour, how many images has it cached, and are their accounts active? Okay, thanks Ray. Cheers.